Hello everyone, this is Arjuman from PureSilver.io. Welcome to Behind the Scenes. So apart from being a daughter, a sister, a wife and a mother, this is where I spend my maximum time during the day. Here is where we make the most beautiful silverware. Today I will be showing you the spinning machine and walk you through the process, and you will get a better understanding of what is wastage and making charges that go along with it. So this is one of the spinning machines. We are making chambus, silver kalash, bowls and glasses. We buy pure silver bars, 999 fine silver. We put it in the rolling machine and make a thin sheet. Not so thin that it should tear when we are trying to mold it. So the master silversmiths work on it. One of them is Farooq Bhai. He's the most senior person in the factory after my dad. So after we make that into a thin sheet with enough thickness for each article, it has to be done with extreme precision. You cut out a shape and then put it in the spinning machine, and based on whichever dies that you're using, the metal takes the shape. You're shaping the metal. This is the wastage that comes out of it. Okay, so this is the wastage that comes attached with the final product price. And the person who creates the magic of shaping the metal, who stands here and works, is the making charges that we pay them for. This is the first level of molding that is done. You will actually be surprised to see the final product. So then this further gets molded with a curve bend here and a neck. I will show you the final product. Okay, so today we are making chambus or silver kalash, silver bowls and glasses. This is the semi-finished product of a bowl made out of pure silver. These are master silversmithing tools for spinning. The dies, a sample that we made. This will be produced next. So this is where they place the metal sheet and then use one of these tools to actually hand spin it. This is actually the finished product with design, or else it just comes as a plain finish. The chambu that I spoke to you about, this is what it gets translated to and is available for sale. There's a peacock and a beautiful lal bagh flower kind of a motif. This is computer design. I sit with the designer and I say, okay, the peacocks need to look at each other, and fill the rest with the florals and some lines. It has a beautiful finish if you look at it more closely. It's more beautiful in real, in the naked eye, than on camera. These are the different kinds of glass dies. We have over 30 glass designs that are originally designed and manufactured here at Navrang Silver Works. So PureSilver.io is where we showcase the collections and let customers order samples or retail, especially for exports. And here we do wholesale manufacturing for wholesalers and jewelers. See these shiny strands? Again, this is pure silver, which is now a part of wastage. When you're trying to shape the metal, the article, this is what is getting wasted. This is one form when you're trying to do the finishing, and during actual production, this is the wastage. Okay, Now we were trying to make a glass here, and this is what happened. Something went wrong and it got cut. Again, this will be counted as damage, and it happens very rarely, but it does happen. It just tears apart. There could be multiple reasons for this. Either it could be melting error, or an actual production mistake where you have actually tried to put a lot of pressure while shaping the metal, or the machine is not supposed to be rotating so fast. So there are multiple reasons for it. So these are the semi-finished Chambu designs. Here, these are the bowls, and now to the most exciting part, what you get to see on PureSilver.io, the finished products that we are live in Bangalore from Silver Show of India. Really excited to present our new collection of Pure Silver dinner sets. Here we go. This is our rose gold Pure Silver thali set for kids and babies. Comes as a 5-piece set. It's a beautiful shine. It's a 22 karat gold. It's hallmarked for 9250. That's a mini thali. This is the showstopper in the luxury gifting space. It's the Diamond 925 Sterling Silverware collection. It was custom made for a wonderful son who wanted a gift for his parents' wedding anniversary. Each floral motif is hand engraved by multiple silversmiths for days together, and it takes one master silversmith to complete it. Reserve this for the most special celebrations of your life. At PureSilver.io, we design meaningful silverware collections steeped in India's rich history, culture, and traditions. For your loved ones to dine like royalty every day. We believe in designing 925 sterling silverware for moments such as your morning coffee to your life's biggest celebrations. This is one of our favorite everyday home silverware collection. It has a beautiful matte finish and looks very elegant. The same set can be made from a 6 inches plate to an 18 inches plate dinner set. You can customize it based on different glass models and bowls, along with sweet dish plates as per your requirements. It's fantastic for everyday use.
Hi there, this is Aisha, and I wanted to just pass my word about how Pure Silver is doing a fantastic job with their latest collection. It's super easy to use, the designs are very fresh and extremely suited to our modern generation's usage. I expected the silver designs to be something that are a little intimidating, but here's something that I'd actually like to use in my home, in my kitchen every day. Definitely something that you should try out. I think there's something in it for every kind of audience. There's something for the person who likes their traditional design. There's something for the person who's into aesthetic patterns, abstract. So definitely something you should explore in my opinion.
You can get the same collection which is Hallmarked for 925 on PureSilver.io. Can be further customized in any size and quantity, as well as the pieces that you need along with it. This is for presentation and the best selling. It comes along with a small plate, 2 bowls, a glass, and a spoon and a fork. Check out the beautiful 24 karat gold plating on pure silver.
The collection looks very nice, especially the different designs that you guys have brought in. It's eye-catching also.
Hope you enjoyed watching my sterling silverware collections as much as I enjoyed putting them together for you. You can shop all these items on PureSilver.io. We offer insured shipping worldwide.